States.
I am very, very disappointed why the federal government decided not to bring Nnamdi Kanu. Look at the DSS, it's not far. We have cars everywhere, embarrassing people, beating people. Lawyers were being embarrassed. They refuse to bring Nnamdi Kanu. I don't think Nnamdi Kanu is alive. I am sure the federal government have killed Nnamdi Kanu. If Nnamdi Kanu is alive, they will bring him to court to face his trial. I am so disappointed with this present administration. What is access? Nnamdi Kanu should be brought to court. He should be brought to court so that the world will see. You pressmen will see Nnamdi Kanu. He should be brought to court, not having access. What is the meaning of access? But we're asking that he should be brought to court so that the press will see him. I doubt if Nnamdi Kanu is still alive. They must have killed him.
Your name, sir?
My name is Barrister Sonny Ayawo. I said to quote me anywhere. They must have killed Nnamdi Kanu, and they refused to bring him.